Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and I'm bringing you a Hobby Lobby clearance haul today. Hopefully this will work out. My kids are still on summer break. They're home, it's daylight. I normally try to record at night when everyone's in bed, but I've been too tired for that lately. So I've got the window open. I hope lighting's okay. As you guys know, Hobby Lobby has had clearance for a month or so now, and now it's at 90%, at least at the store that I was at today. So I got a few things to share. Some of them were not clearance finds, they're just sales. So I just wanted to pop on and share with you guys. I'm gonna start off with all the items I got on clearance first. So I don't know if you guys remember, I got quite a few signs in $4 grab bags from Michael's, and I've been thinking about what to do with them, and this came at the perfect time. So this is a metal gather sign. It's gray. It has little hooks on the back, but I'm definitely going to make this a DIY and put it with something that I got at Michael's for fall and harvest. So its original price was $14.99, so I paid $1.49. I really like that font. You guys know with me, it's not gonna stay gray, it's gonna get painted probably black or white. I also found Blessed. So I think that's another great little thing to DIY, just using stuff I already have. It was the same price. It was $1.49. For a metal sign that large, there is no losing. Now this is something I'm probably not gonna change, and I just thought it was really cute. It says fresh baked pies served daily. It's neutral. It's got a little bit of like that warm gold khaki almost, and the darker gray. So it's so neutral. I think I'll just put it in one of my little shelves that I have here in my kitchen. And it was originally $7.99, so I got it for 79 cents. And then these two little cuties, I have been eyeballing since they came out, but I was not gonna pay that much. So this is just a tiny little baby Milk Jug. It's metal. They had them in all colors: blue, green, pink, yellow, and it's so small. I mean, it's so small. I actually thought if you had an American Girl doll, this would be like so cute as a decoration for them just playing. And it was priced for $2.99. So there's no way that was gonna happen, but I did get it for 29 cents. And that's just right in my book. Now here's a little bit bigger version. This one was priced $3.99. So let me put them side by side so you can see. I think they're really cute together. I have something kind of in mind. Now, I would prefer them to be galvanized or black or white. Yes, I know, I'm crazy. But they didn't have them in those colors. They had them in pinks and blues and yellows and greens. So I picked up the yellow knowing that they'll be the easiest to cover color-wise. So that's why I picked up the yellow. They're definitely gonna change. This is another thing I've been looking at it since it came out. It's a super cute little, I guess, miniature, almost gardening or tool type of box. So this was originally $3.99, and it's tiny, but I had eyeballed it a few times, definitely more than once, wondering if it would fit with my salt and pepper shakers in my kitchen. So I have the mason jar style salt and pepper shakers from Walmart, and I was hoping, because how cute would that be, but they're too big. Just barely too big, but I will put it to use because I picked it up for 39 cents, and that's a good deal. So on to some bigger clearance items. Again, same story. These are not gonna stay this color. Actually, this one could. This could easily go in my daughter's room. Just a metal basket. I thought it was full of potential, and it was originally $149. Let me give you guys a size comparison here. It's a good size. And so then I paid $1.49, which is totally worth it. So if I don't use it in my daughter's room, I can spray it and transform it really quickly. Now I got the bigger size as well. This one they only had in pink, and so this one's definitely gonna change colors. This one was a little bit more. It was $179, originally $17.99. Never, never in my life would I pay $17.99 for a decorative basket, but $1.79, yes. So I'm not sure if it'll be black or white or galvanized, but it's slightly bigger. See, maybe you guys can't see. If I put it inside of it, maybe you can see. That's a better representation. And then 2 more clearance items, and then on to some just normal sale items. So let me move these out. I bit the bullet. You guys know I kind of fight the term farmhouse because I live by the beach, not on a farm. But I like the style, and I'm not totally farmy, but I'm definitely rustic, and I bit the bullet. I did. I bought a tobacco basket. You guys know this time last year, people could not find these in stores. They were running out. People were having family pick them up in other states. Now this is a galvanized version, and it's definitely aged. But these, they had multiple, like so many, 90% off, because either everyone who wanted one has bought one, or everyone's just over it. So $19.99, so I paid $1.99. That is way more up my alley price-wise. And you guys know I like to decorate my hutch behind me, so being that it's black in the back, it's nice to have things that are lighter, whether it's galvanized or white, because it just adds a little bit to it. And that's why I got this. Let me move these things. We'll talk about these next. So this is another one of the tobacco baskets. This one is kind of a cream color, and it's definitely rustic. I thought this would be really, really nice in my hutch. I think this is probably going in my hutch right after I film this. So this one was a little more also. Oh no, it wasn't. I thought this one was $24.99. It was $19.99. It's not metal. It's definitely wood, but I paid $1.99, and it is pretty good size. So I bit the bullet. I felt like it was like a confession. Pillow covers are one of my favorite things to buy at the, I was gonna say Dollar Tree. You guys know I was gonna say Dollar Tree. To buy at Hobby Lobby. I don't have a lot of space, but I like to change my pillow covers out for the seasons, and just, I get bored. So Hobby Lobby has a lot of pillow covers. This is one of my favorite ones. It's just a super plain, almost muslin, creamy color. It is an 18-inch square. It has a zipper on the bottom, and they're $4.99. Now this week, these are 50% off. So if you're interested in them, either pick them up tomorrow, today, or wait until another sale comes around. You can also use your 40% off coupon when they are not on 50% off. So I then found this one, And I've shared this brand with you guys before. They're switching all their pillow covers over to the Merchant 41 brand. Again, 18-inch square. That's what my decorative pillows in my living room are. This one's a really pretty, it's more on the khaki side than cream, but it's like a woven material, almost like burlap, and they're rosettes. Let's just take this out. Let's live on the edge here. And I've been wanting to see what it looks like. I thought this one was super pretty. This would go in really well for really all year because it's so neutral. You could do it during the fall or Christmas. Okay, there's a little piece of cardboard inside, but let me just show you guys the print. How pretty is that? And it is a good size, being 18 inches. It feels very, very well made. So that one was originally, what did it say? $10.99, so I paid half of that. And then I did something completely out of my character. I bought a color. It's not black or white. So they had this really pretty, it is a darker, almost hunter green, not hunter green. It's on the sagey side of hunter green. I don't see an actual color. Anyways, it was also $10.99, 50% off, and it looks exactly like that one, except it's green. And then I found this, and I debated it. I have a few longer sort of lumbar style pillows, and I have kids, so those covers need replaced. That's all we'll say about that. And it was, again, $10.99. It has pom-poms in the corner. And so this is what I was debating, whether or not this is green in the store. And I decided that it was close enough to green that I was giving it a try. So let me take it out and we'll see what it looks like out of the plastic. This one has the little tags through it. So let me pull these off. It's a really nice heavy fabric, I have to say. Just right away I'm impressed with how thick it is. It's not like when you go on Amazon and buy a pillow cover and it looks one way online and it gets to you and it's like paper thin and not even the color that was in the picture. There's a lot of these little tags. I think that's because of the pom-poms. All right, so it's definitely more on the beigey side of green, but I think that this might be really nice for fall for my house. Now these pom-poms are definitely khaki or beigey green, greasy beige. So I like it, and I needed a new pillow cover anyways, so I picked that up. Another one of my favorite things to buy at Hobby Lobby is their ribbon, because you can hit a sale like this week with it 50% off. And as a mom who has made cheer bows for many, many years, you just can't beat that when a store will let you walk in and buy 5, 6, 7, 8 rolls and they're all gonna be 50% off. This is definitely not cheer bow ribbon, and I don't even know what I'm gonna use it for, but I just couldn't pass it up. This is kind of a beigey background, definitely not a burlap kind of beige, lighter, almost gray-like with the black stripe. I love stripes. I love stripes and polka dots, especially if it's got black in it. So this one is 3 yards, and it's by the Ribbon Boutique, and $3.99, so $2. Now I was debating between this one and this one. Let me show them up close. So this one's definitely like a ticking stripe, and it's the same colors. So I couldn't decide, and I decided for $2 I am gonna splurge and buy both. And I know I will find something with fall and Halloween so close. Again, I don't know what I'm going to use this one for. All of these ribbons were $3.99, so I paid $1.99 for all of them. And I believe all the large ones, oh no, this one's slightly different. Oh, they're changing the packaging, look at that. So instead of the Ribbon Boutique like this, it's becoming a little more fancy. So this one is 4 yards, so that's a little bit more. This one's also 4 yards, and big surprise, buffalo check in black and white. And like I said, 4 yards of this one. These are 3-inch. And then this one's smaller. I think this one's like a 2-inch. Yeah, it's just a slightly tighter or smaller buffalo check, almost gingham actually. So it's black and white. This one you get 5 yards and same price. This one is also the same price and you get 4 yards, and it's just that gingham black and white check, and there's a little detail around the edge. If I can open this quickly enough, I will be able to show you guys. I know that they put this on to protect the ribbon, but I hate taking those plastic things off. Okay, now I can show you guys how cute this is. So they're like little dots, and I just thought, oh, that is adorable. So I picked up some ribbon. Those are 2 things that I always look at when I go to Hobby Lobby, and so I'm sure you guys will see them again soon. I'm not sure yet how or when. I hope you guys enjoyed my Hobby Lobby haul. Quite a few good deals on clearance, and then things that I always look at when I go in there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon in the next video.